Welcome everybody to the crypto mining channel. If you want to learn how to build a passive income with cryptocurrencies, make sure to subscribe to the crypto mining channel. Today, a short video tutorial on how to stake NEO and claim gas. First of all, this website, CoinGecko, very interesting website. I use the website a lot. If you want to know on which exchanges you can buy a coin. So today it's all about NEO. NEO is the one. NEO is also pretty cheap at this moment. So CoinGecko tells you where you can buy your NEO. So number one website is Binance. That's where I also bought my NEOs, but you can see for which price they are listed. So Binance, a good price, very good price. Bitfinex is a little bit under it, but for 3 cents, hey. I mostly use Binance. I have a Binance buy tutorial. I'll put the link in the description and up here. So if you can click it, you can see how you have to buy coins on Binance. So you buy your coins, very easy. After you bought your coins, you have the choice. Either you leave your NEO in your Binance account, it will automatically give you gas, but it won't give you 100% of the gas. In the beginning, I also had my NEO on Binance. It was cool, it's okay, but I get more rewards when I stake it on my Neon wallet. So download the Neon wallet, the link is in the description. This is the Neon wallet. I use my ledger to log in. So I first have to connect it with my computer, enter my code, and then I can log in and claim my gas. Voila. Then if you're using a ledger, you log in with your password and then you click on NEO. You hear the voice. So then it's connected, so I log in using a ledger. This is my total amount of NEOs. This is the total amount of gas. So then you just click claim gas. If you use a ledger, you have to sign the transaction. You have to sign the transaction 2 times. So you have to wait a little bit, and then in a few moments you sign the transaction again, and then you receive the gas. So guys, this is a completely passive income. The more NEOs you have, the more gas you will get. Now, I mean, NEO price is very cheap. I know a while ago I bought NEOs and it was at a higher price than it is now. So when you stake NEOs, it's in your own wallet. What is the advantage of having NEO in your own wallet? Well, let's say they hack Binance. I think Binance is an amazing exchange. I think if they want to hack Binance, they have to be with many smart guys. I mean, I don't think they can hack Binance, but in theory, all exchanges can be hacked. So what happens when your NEO is on Binance and it gets hacked? You lose your NEO. Your NEO is gone. When you have your NEO or every other currency for that fact on your own wallet, you're the boss. You're the boss, and you have your private keys. Very important to have your private keys, because not your keys, not your coins. Binance, all the coins you have on Binance, they have the private key. So actually, they own your coins. Of course, Binance is not gonna steal it. But I mean, this is in theory, so it's always better to have them on your own wallet. And the safest is with a ledger. I'll put the link in the description where you can buy the ledger. Now I can sign the TX. So for the second time, boom, claim was successful. So now I claimed my gas and I can sell it whenever I want to. If I want to sell it, I just send it to Binance to sell it. Free gas. So you sell your gas and then you buy more NEO. I mean, it's a round circle and it's amazing. That way you can get a bigger passive income. So if you haven't got a ledger, you can still download the Neon wallet. You can still have it on your computer. Put away your private keys. Put them somewhere safe. If they hack your computer, if they find your private keys, they can also hack your wallet, any wallet. I mean, many hackers today, so that's why I chose to be safe with my Ledger wallet or any offline wallet. I mean, this is unhackable. How can they hack this? It's not connected with the internet. Of course, it costs about 100 euros, $110, something like that. But if you're a serious investor, I suggest you take a look at the Ledger or the Trezor, whatever you like. It's the safest. You don't want to wake up one day, look at your wallet and see that your balance is gone. Even my balance, only my NEOs are already worth almost $1,700. I invested in many other coins and I'm mining as well. So for me, it's very important that my coin stays safe. If you only have $100, I mean, okay, you can afford to lose it. But if you have $100,000, it's better you have your Ledger wallet. This is just the advice that I can give you guys. You can start with the online wallets, with exchange wallets. You do whatever you want, but if you get more serious, have more coins, then you have more to lose. So then this piece of equipment is priceless. Priceless. So nobody can hack my NEOs. Nobody. Unless they have my private, unless I give someone my private keys, then it's possible they can retrieve my funds. But of course I'm not going to give anyone my private key, so nobody can touch it. So I feel safe and I can sleep at night. So guys, if you enjoyed the video, please press the like button. It's really very easy. I'm also staking other coins as well. So if you want to learn how to stake the other coins, make sure to subscribe to the Crypto Mining channel. If you have any questions, ask them in the comments below. So I hope to welcome you all soon on the Crypto Mining channel, and I wish you all your NEO holders, and all crypto holders a happy staking, and talk to you soon, guys. Bye bye.